Boom, boom, boom. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom, boom. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, yes, and yes. I bought a case. I got a case. This is something that all the scalpers are looking for. They fight with it, they fight for it, they get crazy for it because it can be here a super treasure hunt. No. If I have a true super treasure hunt, I swear to you that I'm gonna destroy it. The reality. I wanted to buy a case just to see what the fuss is all about. What's the magic if there's a super treasure hunt here? Ooh, big deal. No, no, no. I'm buying it because I want to get this casting, and I know for sure that's a casting that will be super, triple, quadruple mega scalps, and I rather pay $100 in a case than pay, I don't know, I don't know how much is this to a scalper. So here it is, and I get to show it to you. So there we go. So we're opening the USD case. It's sealed. It came with this little thing here, which means that it's not being tampered with. But first, I want to take a look at this box before I open it. Like I said, it's a D case. I don't know what this stands for. Um, Made in Malaysia. Selamat pagi Malaysia. Apa kabar? I love Malaysia. I love Malaysia. I want to go back. I want to return. On the back, corrugated recycles and box certificate, Penang, Malaysia. Next time I go to Malaysia, I want to go to that. I want to go to the factory. Excited, excitement, it's opening in the air. I wonder this is how scalpers feel when they see a case open. I think they super, 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 super. They get they get out of control when they see this because they want to. I want to get that super. I want to get that super. So I also am planning to rank everything that I show. There's gonna be 4 categories. One, it's gonna be peg warmers. Those are the castings that you will see every time you go to the store. Nobody will buy them. Literally, they will stay there forever. Probably the store will have to do something about them. They have to give them away. I don't know. Those are the peg warmers. Number 2, the meh category, which is something that you can buy it. It's not gonna be a scalp. It might not be a peg warmer necessarily, but meh, it's like it's good, it's great, it's nice. So yeah, there you go. In number 3, it will be the scalped category, in which it's scalped. Like it will be a surprise if you encounter them, and it will be very popular. Also, those are the popular cards they are gonna be super mega scalped, and it will be a rarity if you see it, right? And if you see it, get it, right? That's at number 3. And number 4, this is my god tier category, in which I will call it I'm no longer need to collect anymore, because this is the category in which that's it, you're done. You got what you wanted in life. You are done collecting. You can live and die happy. There's nothing for you to do in life. That's number 4 tier category. Let's see what I got. And seriously, I swear to you that if I see a super treasure hunt, I'm gonna, I don't know, destroy it. I'll give it away. I don't know. I will open it right away. Without further ado, let's start seeing cars. Ooh, look at that. That Porsche 911 GT3. This for sure is gonna be in the scalped category. So if you see this, get it, get it, get it, and buy it. Ooh, 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 the Oracle Red and Bull Racing. This is why I bought this case, to tell the truth. This is gonna be in the God category. Mega, super, duper, ultra, quadruple, quintuple, mega super scalp. If you see this one, you have to get it. I command you, go and get it. The pedal driver, peg warmer, nothing else to say. Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. I'm gonna put it in the scalp category, so very nice. The gotta go, peg warmer, hands down. The street winner, very funny, but peg warmer. The 2024 Mustang Shelby GT500. I'm gonna put this one into the scalp category. So if you see it, go and get it. The Jaguar MK1. I will put this into the meh category. Nice, nice to have. Kid from Knight Rider and the Flames editions. So pretty nice. I think it's gonna be in scalped category. So pretty good. The mid meal, or it's not the twin meal, it's the mid meal. Definitely peg warmer. The later crater, peg warmer. The Gordon Murray Automotive T33. This is gonna be scalped because it's a new one for 2025. So you see it, get it. El Viento, peg warmer. The 1970 Dodge Power Wagon, meh category. Another street winner, and again in a peg warmer. The Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Meh. If you like Batman, yeah, cool. But you will see it. So, meh. The stock car. Peg warmer, fantasy. Cruise Bruiser. Fantasy, duh, of course. HW50 concept. Fantasy, fantasy, fantasy. The Humvee. Meh. The, the Humvee on itself is very cool. I like it. But yeah, you can see this around, so no worries there. Meh. The Mercedes-Benz 500E. Nice, 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 nice. This is an scalp one. So, nice. Hackle Type D. They, this is a new one. So, it's between a meh and a scalped. So, it's gonna be scalp because it's from new for 2025, but it also can enter into the May category because it's a fantasy Hot Wheels. So I'm gonna be a little bit more generous and I'm gonna put it in the scalp category. So if you see it, get it. The Plymouth Superbird. Meh. The 1976 I was gonna say Corvette. Chevy Chevette. This is meh. The Toyota GR86 Coupe. Cup. I would say this one it's a scalp. Yeah. The Cupra E-Razor. Another new one for 2025. I am not sure if this is a real car. So I'm gonna put it in a scalp category again because it's a new for 2025. The Corvette Racer from 1969. Meh. The Lamborghini Miura for 1971. Scalp. I want to say scalp. That color is very nice and it's a Lamborghini Miura. So this is probably is going to be very scalped. The 1970 Chevy Camaro RS. I will say meh. The Tune It Up. Nice casting. But a peg warmer. Street Shrieker. A new one for 2025, but I'm gonna say this is a peg warmer. It's too much fantasy that I see there. It's too much weird stuff. So yeah, peg warmer. Same like before, another Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. The Tesla Cyber Quad. A new one for 2025, and definitely I see this one very scalped. So nice. 2015 Mazda Miata MX-5. I keep seeing this around for the last year, so I will say it's a meh. It's very nice. It's a Mazda Miata, but you will see it around, so meh. The Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. This last year it was one of my favorite castings. The black one, that is, because they changed the color to a yellow, to that striking yellow. Now this one it will fall. If this one was like the last year that it was all black, or it would have been a Samac, it would be in the scalp category for sure. But now that it's yellow, meh, I think it's gonna be in the meh category. The high roller. Peg warmer, for sure. Ooh, there's the other chamber here. The Chamber of Secrets. More and more. Am I gonna see a super treasure hunt? I hope so. So we can destroy it together, but I don't know that. The 1975 Datsun Sunny truck. I will say this is a meh category. It's a very nice truck. Very nice and cute. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna find it. The Punk Rod. Definitely a peg warmer. Super Mega Scalp again. So this case came with two. So nice. Wait a minute. I regress. Now that I think about it, this might end. This could be in the god tier. Now that I think about it. HW50 concept again. Another one repeated, and definitely a peg warmer. Peg warmer. Repeated again, man. Scalp category again. Repeated. Scalped. Repeated. Arrow dynamic. I mean, I have to give it to Hot Wheels. They're very creative when it comes with names, but definitely a peg warmer. Another silly, stupid name. Ain't fair. Peg warmer. The 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger. It's a nice casting. I give you that. But for some reason, I foresee this one as a meh category. A nice touch about giving the awareness about breast cancer here. So very nice. Very nice sentiment. The Roadster. Peg warmer all the way. Meh. Silverado EV. This came out last year in blue, and that's the best variant of this casting. So for this year, this one it will be in the meh category. The Chevy Blazer 4x4. Nice colors. Yeah. But meh. Monty Razor. No silly names this time, but peg warmer. Ain't fair again, peg warmer. Supercharge. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I will say this might be a meh or scalped, but I'm gonna be generous to it and I'm gonna give them a scalp category. I like it because it brings me back to the old Hot Wheels logo there. So yeah, pretty cool. Scalped and a repeat. Meh and repeat. Repeat and meh. Repeat and meh. Ooh, 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 ooh la la. the Maserati Shamal or Shamal. And new for 2025 is pretty nice. Pretty good, actually. Nice details. I'm gonna open it later. So, this one is definitely a scalp one. 2023 Ram 1500. I will say this one is scalped. Almost in the mid category, but scalped. The high roller. Not sure why it's a high roller, but there you go. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. This is the 1990 Ford F-150 SBT lighting. There is a cult following for this car, so definitely I foresee this one as a very scalp car. So if you see it, get it. Gotta go. Yes, I gotta go to the peg warmers. Roger Dodger, a classic, but definitely a peg warmer. Maserati Shamal. Again, this is a scalp one. Oh man, I got three of this. I got the three of the Batmans and another Gordon Murray Automotive D33. So scalped and meh. Uh yeah, these are repeats. And one came like this. How dare you, Hot Wheels, to send me like this? How dare you, Mattel? I need a refund now. How dare you to send this to Larry? It's obscene. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.